Hello everyone, I'm Tharshinie Manimaran cp210058. Today we are going to see what is water jet machine.
Water jet machining, also called water jet cutting, is a non-traditional machining process in which high-velocity jet of water is used to remove materials from the surface of the workpiece. Water jet machine can be used to cut softer materials like plastic, rubber, or wood. Next, the working principle of water jet machine. It is based on the principle of water erosion. When a high-velocity jet of water strikes the surface, the removal of material takes place. Pure water jet is used to machine softer materials, but to cut harder materials, some abrasive particles mixed with the water for machining, and it is called as abrasive water jet machining. Hence, the main parts of water jet machining: 1. Hydraulic pump. 2. Hydraulic intensifier. 3. Accumulator. 4. Mixing chamber. 5. Control valve. 6. Flow regulator. 7. Nozzle, and lastly 8. Drain and catcher system. Let's see about the functions of the parts. Hydraulic pump. It is used to circulate the water from the storage tank during the machining process. The pump delivers water to the intensifier at low pressure of about 5 bars. A booster increases the initial pressure of water to 11 bar before delivering. Hydraulic intensifier. It is used to increase the pressure of water to very high pressure. It receives the water from the pump at 4 bar and increases its pressure up to 3,000 to 4,000 bar. Accumulator. It stores the high pressurized water temporarily. It supplies that fluid when a large amount of pressure energy is required. Mixing chamber. It is a vacuum chamber where the mixing of abrasive particles into water takes place. Control valve. It controls the pressure and direction of the water jet. Flow regulator. The flow of the water is regulated with the help of the flow regulator. Nozzle. Converts the pressure of water jet into high-velocity beam of water jet. The tip of the nozzle is made of ruby or diamond to prevent it from erosion. Drain and catcher system. After the machining, the debris and machined particles from the water are separated out with the help of the drain and catcher system. It removes the metal particle and other unwanted particles from the water and sends it back to the reservoir for further use. Following this, let's see about the working mechanism of water jet. In the first place, the water from the reservoir is pumped to the intensifier with the help of a pump. Next, the intensifier increases the pressure of the water from 5 bars to 3,000 to 4,000 bar. This high-pressure water from the intensifier is moved to the nozzle as well as in accumulator. Soon, the accumulator stores the high-pressure water and supplies it at any instant when it is required. It is used to eliminate the fluctuation of the high-pressure requirement of machining hard material. Thus, the high-pressure water is then passed to the nozzle where the high-pressure energy of the water is converted into kinetic energy. A very high-velocity jet of water, 1,000 meter per second, comes out through the nozzle in the form of a narrow beam. The meantime, abrasives such as garnet or aluminum oxide is mixed with water within the nozzle. A mixing chamber is there in the nozzle where the abrasives get mixed with the high-pressure water. Subsequently, this high-velocity jet of water, when strikes the surface of the W or P, removes the material from it. Indeed, the advantage of water jet machine is, first of all, it can produce complex and intricate cuts in materials. Next, the work area in this machining process remains clean and dust-free. Then, it has low operating and maintenance cost because it has no moving parts. And the thermal damage to the workpiece is negligible due to no heat generation. The disadvantage are: 1 is, it is used to cut softer materials, but abrasive water jet machine can cut harder material of limited thickness. Then, very thick material cannot be machined by this process, and the initial cost of water jet machine is high. Lastly, the application of the water jet machine. Water jet machining is used in various industries like mining, automotive, and aerospace for performing cutting, shaping, and reaming operations. Also, water jet machine is mostly used to cut soft and easy to machine materials such as thin sheets and foils, wood, non-ferrous metallic alloys, textiles, honeycomb, plastics, polymers, leathers, frozen, etc. Besides, abrasive water jet machine is typically used to machine those materials which are hard and difficult to machine. It is used to machine thick plates of steel, and other commercial materials, reinforced plastics, metal matrix, and ceramic matrix composites, stones, glass, etc. Furthermore, the machining process, the high-pressure water jet is used in paint removal, surgery, cleaning, peening to remove residual stress, etc.